Man, you're a big son bitch now, ain't you? You must be like, what, 4 foot or something? Look how fucking long you are. It's wrapping around my damn arm. Look at this shit. See how fucking long he is? Jesus. Good God, he's a big son bitch. Oh, come on, you bastard. Alright, here's the deal. I'm gonna let go of you. You better not bite me, alright? Alright. Now, how am I gonna do this? Alright, ready, buddy? Where's my machete? Mark. Get set. Good God, he's a big son of a bitch. Hope he didn't piss on me. I'll always bring a machete just in case.